often do you come home in the evening thinking that you knew what you were going to have for an evening meal and then had second thoughts or had no thoughts at all? Well, yesterday I cooked a pork fillet in a creamy mushroom sauce and thought that what I had left over would be enough for a second meal this evening. However, when I came to look, it looks a bit paltry. It doesn't look a lot there. I think we must have had more than our fair share last night. So I've been having a think about what I've got in my fridge that I can muster a meal together. So these are the things I've got. I've got the pork tenderloin in the creamy mushroom sauce, but not too much of it. I've got a bit of yellow pepper and a red pepper, some mushrooms, a courgette and pancetta, together with some wholemeal fusilli. So I'm going to concoct something tonight, which I'm sure is going to be absolutely tasty. And I thought you might like to see what I make of this collection of ingredients. So here we go. I've put the frying pan onto a moderately high heat, and I'm first of all going to fry off the pancetta. Here the bits go, in they go. You need to fry that off until they're a little bit on the crispy side. While I'm waiting for the pancetta to cook, I'm going to prepare the peppers and the courgette and the mushrooms. I've cut the peppers up into small pieces ready to fry. The pancetta is starting to brown up, and I've just cut up a smallish courgette, zucchini, for those of you that call it that, into quarters, slices and quarters. Just before I remove the pancetta from the frying pan, I'm going to slice some more mushrooms. I just love mushrooms. There's already some in the meat dish, so I'm going to add a few more. Right, the pancetta is nicely browned, and I'm just going to remove it from the frying pan, leaving the juices from the fat to cook my vegetables in. Just putting that to one side. And in go the peppers and the courgettes. I shall add the mushrooms in a minute when these have had a chance to cook a bit. While the courgettes and the peppers are cooking, I'm going to add the pasta, whole wheat fusilli. There's 150 grams here for 2 people, going into boiling water for 10 to 12 minutes. Courgettes and peppers have had a little while, so I'm now going to add the mushrooms. Stir those around, give them a little while to cook. And I'm also going to add some salt and pepper. pasta is cooking and the vegetables are being cooked through. I'm just going to sift through the meat dish that I did yesterday, pick out the meat, and I'm going to cut it up into smaller pieces because they're quite large chunks at the moment. And I'm going to chop them up into smaller pieces. The vegetables are cooking nicely now. Here's the chopped meat that I'm just going to pop back in to heat through. I'm also going to put about half the pancetta in now and leave the rest to go on the top when I serve up. About 3 minutes to go. I'm going to put the sauce back in as well. Stir it all around and heat it all through. The pasta is just coming up to end of cooking time, and I've tested it. It's ready, so I'm going to strain it off and then add the pasta going in to the frying pan. Going to stir it all around, mix it up. Looks more than enough for 2 people. I think it's going to be very tasty. So here is the finished dish, very colourful, going into the bowls. Turn around so you can see. There's a lot here. We shall do well if we eat this lot. And some pancetta sprinkled on the top. Now, parmesan would have been lovely to sprinkle on the top of this. Unfortunately, I don't have any. You could put grated cheddar or something of that sort, but I think it's going to be fine as it is. So there you go. Bon appetit. If you've enjoyed seeing me cook up a storm with this dish, please send me a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Bye for now. Hope to see you again soon.